Happy Thanksgiving. That's our topic on today's Backstage Pass. Well, hey friends, hope you're having a great day so far today on this Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Stocks and bonds are both up so far this morning. Bonds are up about 13 basis points at the time of recording. The 10-year yield is down about 3 basis points at the time of recording, trading at around 3.72%. And as expected, the national average for a conventional 30-year fixed mortgage yesterday, well, it came in at about 6.65%. And yes, we expect that to stay steady throughout the rest of the week. I do want to mention real quick that the FHA and VA 30-year fixed mortgage, well, those rates are always a little bit lower. FHA is coming in at about 6.25%. That's the national average. That's what it came in yesterday. VA is just a touch higher than that at about 6.3%. And just a quick note, here at HomeFi, we are typically almost every time lower than the national average. Just wanted to throw that out there. So we've been talking all week long so far about how today is the day for data. We did get a huge helping of data today. So let's jump right into the data. First, durable goods and CapEx. Both of these came in higher than what was expected. We also got Markit manufacturing and services PMI. That's a purchase managers index. Both of those were lower than what was expected in the report that was released today. But the real news of the day that's coming out that people are watching, folks are watching, well, that's initial jobless claims. Initial jobless claims came in last week. This is data for last week, came in at about 240,000. That's higher than the previous report, and it was higher than expected. Continuing claims, well, that was up about 40,000. That also beat expectations as well by just a little bit. And so the question is this a softening in the labor market? This is the highest levels that this data has been at since mid-August, and it's kind of contributing to this idea that maybe there's a trend out there, a softening in the labor market. Now, we do think that it's too soon to tell for sure if this is a definitive trend, but the next couple of weeks worth of jobs data is going to be important. It's actually going to be pretty closely watched, because if this is a softening in the jobs market, well, that's going to be a positive thing for mortgage bonds. Now, in other news today, we did get the Mortgage Bankers Association mortgage application data. This is for this past week, ending in November 18th. This showed that application volume was up about 2.2%. Purchase applications were up 2.8%. Refinances were up about 1.8%. So maybe a little bit of uptick in application volume. Maybe that's the result of the rates dropping last week and the previous week. Now, we also got new home sales. New home sales, this shows signed contracts on new homes, right? Well, new home sales for the month of October, they were up about 7.5%, and that was a pretty big beat on expectations. Inventory for new homes, inventory for new homes, that was up about 1.5%. And the median price, well, that lifted about 8.5% for new homes, came in at about $493,000. Now, there really is only one more hurdle for the markets to clear before what we're calling a de facto 4-day holiday trading weekend. So tomorrow markets are closed on Thanksgiving. Friday markets have a half day, but so the last thing for today is going to be the Fed minutes. Now, the Fed is releasing their minutes from their meeting 3 weeks ago. This is not a new policy announcement. It's just the release of the minutes. Does have some potential to cause some turbulence in the market. It has in the past. So we will wait and see what happens with that. But once that's cleared, trading is essentially going to be done for the week. And again, we expect for mortgage rates to stay really steady, about right where they are right now. That's all the news that we have for you today. I want to say very much I am thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon to make sure that you get alerted. We upload these videos every day that the markets are open. And so, I appreciate you very much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving day. Remember, stay positive, and we'll see you soon.